Everywhere you look, people are talking about the January 6th hearings. Either you think that this is the most damning thing that they've witnessed since Watergate, or they think this is some sort of witch hunt. By the way, tell me what you think. You think this is a witch hunt, or do you think this is an important piece of American history? I believe wherever there are a large group of people talking about something, there is an opportunity to make money. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how you could potentially monetize something that's trending, that literally everybody is talking about in some form or fashion. So watch this video because I think this could help you understand how to make money online and take advantage of this opportunity and any other opportunity that comes around the corner. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful internet marketer, I've earned money with everything from security cameras to web hosting, soundbars, microwaves, stand mixers, and even online courses. If you want real internet marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for a free training to help you make money online with 4 simple steps. Let's go ahead and get right into this. As I mentioned, we're going to talk a little bit about January 6th and how you could use this as an opportunity to make money. But if you think larger, if you zoom out just a little bit, you'll be able to see that there is literally an opportunity that presents itself almost every single day, if not every single week. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So right here, I'm over here on Twitter, and you can see one of the trending topics was the testimony that happened just yesterday. It was a surprise testimony. That's a whole thing, but you can see it's trending. There are literally millions of people that are talking about it. They're talking about it in some form or fashion. Also, if we look over on TikTok and we just type in January 6th, but people are looking at and asking all sorts of questions. They're looking at January 6th hearing, commission, Jan 6, was it staged, Capitol, inside job. They're asking all sorts of questions. And the reason why I want to show you TikTok next instead of YouTube is people on TikTok are getting a ton of views, and these are you and me. These are regular people. These aren't giant corporations, and they're not news outlets, but you can see 127,000 views, 62,000 views, 108,000 views. And whenever there is a lot of people talking about something, there is an opportunity to make money. But you can see there are thousands of views. If we look at Ahrefs, which is a paid keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords faster, I typed in Jan 6 and January 6, and you can see this has been searched 796,000 times. There's 36,000 keywords, and some of them aren't too competitive. You can see there's a lot of red here. There could be, that could be considered pretty competitive, but if you use one of these alternatives like TikTok or Reddit or Twitter, there is an opportunity. So what you could do as an individual, as a small business owner, you can take advantage of some of these faster outlets and start getting traffic. So that is what I would do. We can also take a look at YouTube. If we come over to YouTube, you're going to see that there are millions of views to be had, but these are all going towards news outlets that are a little bit more trustworthy. In fact, I don't know that YouTube would even give you an opportunity. So if we looked at Jan 6 hearing 2022, day 6, you're going to see that these are mostly large news outlets, but what I would do is I would create content on Twitter. I would create content on TikTok and LinkedIn and Facebook groups. If we jumped over to Facebook and we typed in Jan 6, once again, you're going to see that there are a ton of people talking about it from both sides. People think that this is a witch hunt and a waste of time, and some people are concerned for our democracy. So you can see that whenever there is fear and hesitation and nervousness, there's going to be a lot of eyeballs on it and a lot of opportunity. So now that you see that there's a ton of traffic to be had in various outlets, if you don't like TikTok, you can do it on Twitter or Facebook or Reddit or Instagram. So now that we've covered that there is a ton of traffic to be had, let's talk about some ways that you could potentially make money with this. One of the easiest ways that you could make money is simply by recommending different ways to consume this information. For example, people that may not be 100% familiar, but they want to watch the information for themselves. They want to watch these hearings for themselves. Maybe they don't have a subscription service. If they don't, you could head on over to OfferVault and recommend the Hulu affiliate program. And some of these would actually pay you per call. So if we look at this, Hulu VOD form that pays $25. Hulu Live DTP $21.60, VOD, $20. If we scroll through here, you can see Hulu VOD form. This is paying you for a form that'll pay you $12. If you scroll through Hulu 7-day trial, that's just in the UK, they'll pay $11.25 for filling out forms and a free trial. So they don't even have to buy anything. If you get them to sign up for a free trial, you can make between $11 and $12. But this is just one opportunity. Another opportunity is CBS All Access. They also have an affiliate program where you can get people to sign up for the 1-week free trial and you have the opportunity to make money. So they don't even have to buy things in a lot of instances and you can make money. Some of these are going to be to fill out a form. Some of these are going to be signing up for free trials. The CBS All Access affiliate program is actually through the Flex Offers Affiliate Network. Affiliate Network is a company that works with hundreds, if not thousands, of affiliate programs. The network is responsible for payouts and monitoring and accepting different affiliates. So that third party, that middleman that really brings it together and makes it easier for both parties. So you can see, you could promote CBS All Access. If we look at this one here, the Dish Network also has an affiliate program. But if we look at this, they have submission. They have payouts on a 90-second call. Look at this one, Dish Network, $18 on a 90-second pay per call. So you don't even have to get them to sign up or buy anything. If you connect a potential customer to Dish Network and they stay on the call for 90 seconds or more, you can get paid $18. And 90 seconds really isn't that long because, with some of those calls, the first 30 seconds is them asking basic questions and introducing themselves and trying to warm up a cold audience. So you can see here that there are tons of opportunities, in my opinion, for potential opportunities to make money with this. If we keep on going down the road here, if people are Trump supporters and they think that this is a witch hunt, the best way to support Trump and the Republican Party is to get a Trump gold bar. Look at this. You get paid $30 for a free Trump gold bar. If we scroll through here, now you want to make sure that you are validating these offers, that they're credible and that, they're not scams, but you can see that everybody is monetizing these different opportunities. You can also monetize different newspapers, the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times, Washington Post. Some of those guys also have affiliate programs so people can read and figure this out for themselves. But you can see here, if we scroll through here, you see that there are tons of opportunities that you can make money for just emails, for social media, anywhere between, $15 and $25, $30 for Trump. But there are other ways to make money as well. I typed in January 6th in Redbubble. And once again, if maybe your affiliate marketing isn't your thing, you could create stickers. Never forget January 6, 2021. Look at this one. Never forget, never forget. People are already monetizing this. So if you feel bad or feel guilty about monetizing it, there are tons of people that are already doing it. There are multiple ways that you can do this. But you can see Redbubble. If we look on Etsy, once again, people are monetizing this on Etsy. Now, the reason why I like Etsy is you can kind of get an idea about how many people purchase. But if we look, 320 people have purchased this at $10. This person is a star seller. We can also take a look and see what else this person is selling and get even more ideas. But you can see here that there is lots of opportunity to make money in different areas, okay? And so if you zoom out and think about this, whenever there is something that is new and newsworthy, that is going to be your opportunity to make money. New and newsworthy, because there are literally millions of people that are coming together to talk about it. They're going to take sides. And newsworthy can be anything from, Elon Musk all the way up to the NBA championship. It can be something that's only trending for a couple days, a couple hours. You could have done the same thing with the Johnny Depp trial and Amber Heard trial. You can do this, but right now, because there are a lot of people focused and talking about January 6th, this is your opportunity to make money. I just want to show you the newspaper affiliate programs as well, because if for whatever reason you are against these different opportunities, you can see here, New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, Washington Post, Business Insider, New York Post, all have different affiliate programs that you could potentially apply and take a part of. But again, in the larger scope of things, you want to think about there are tons of things that are happening every single day that are new and noteworthy, and you can use that as an opportunity to make money. There's an opportunity there for you. And these new opportunities come up every single week. Every single week, there's something else that is brand new and noteworthy. A few years ago, I headed over to Etsy and people were talking about the hurricane. They survived Hurricane Irma or whatever the hurricane was. But if it's new and newsworthy, you can make money. Remember, new, newsworthy equals money. So there will always be an opportunity. So what you'd want to do is just open up your app like Twitter, take a look and see what people are talking about. Open up TikTok, see what people are talking about. Now, if you are creating content directly for January 6th or whatever is new and newsworthy, you can link that to a number of different opportunities. You can link that to a affiliate program like Hulu, which has the news. That's why I linked it. You can create your own digital product. You could hire someone to create those different stickers for you, and you can sell those stickers and make money. You could make money. You could even make money starting a Patreon or a YouTube membership. And the reason why that would be an opportunity to make money is simply that there's stuff that you just can't say on platforms like TikTok and YouTube and Facebook. They'll shut your account down, but you can say those things behind a paywall. And so if you have built a steady following of people that are interested in your content on TikTok, maybe 1 to 5% of those people will be willing to pay to hear more of what you have to say. But you can see here, if you scroll through, there are tons of people that are just interested in the January 6th. So if we just do January 6th and hit enter, you are going to see millions of views, okay? And these are by small creators. These are by individuals. But there is an opportunity to make money. So what you want to do, take a look and see what's new and newsworthy. You can use something like Google Trends. If we go to trends.google.com, like this, it'll take just a second to pop up, and head on over to, hit the hamburger menu, head on over to trending topics like this, and it's going to tell you what's trending recently now, and it's going to tell you what's trending over the last few days, weeks, and months. But if we look through here, we can see a lot of this stuff has to do with the politics. It has a lot to do with January 6th. It has a lot to do with things that could help you make money. And there are tons of different opportunities out here if you wanted to. So now that you understand how you can make money with the news, click the first link in the description for my free training that show you how to make money online in 4 simple steps. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com for more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.